Okay, that's it for today. Man, I'm so happy. I'm almost done grinding. You know, I promised myself I wasn't gonna make no negative comments about grinding because we all know what a chore it is. I told myself I wasn't gonna complain, but yeah, it's hard not to, man. It's hard not to. I just keep thinking about what it's gonna look like when I'm done. Let me see if I can get you guys a shot from the back or from the front, from the bow. I'm starting to learn my boat turns up at the bow. What it looks like, you can't see. I can't get up high enough in the front. Let me get outside and that way you get a better look. But yeah, man. I'm so happy. Oh, it's almost done. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Thought I got that off there. There it is. I got a couple more sections in the front, and I got that right there where the motor goes. And I gotta do this too, but I don't know. Like right here, the piece of wood in there looks good. See if I can. I was thinking about just cutting this and then and cutting that and just glassing over the wood that's there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just cut this wood out of here and replace it, or just I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I got plenty of time to think about it. I'm about ready to order product, man. I can't believe it. I'm about ready to order my fiberglasses. Here's a look at it from the front, or from the front. There's a piece of wood in that side of the back, and there's a piece of wood encapsed in that side. And I don't know if I'm gonna take those out or not. What do you guys think? Should I just take them out and put in 2 new pieces of fiberglass, or just sand those down, the pieces that's open, and fiberglass the existing ones in there? What you guys think? I'm gonna come back and do this upper row. I'm gonna grind that off, and that back floor, and I'm gonna lightly the bottom of the transom. I'm probably gonna reglass. Well, I know, yeah, I've got to reglass the bottom half of the transom, so I'm gonna take it down. Maybe not to the wood. I don't know. I gotta do some research. Maybe you guys can let me know if I should. Let's get it better. The bottom half of the transom. You can see already on the side where I exposed the wood when I was just proving that the transom was still good. Thank goodness it was, man. It was such a relief that it was still good. And the more I look at it, the more I think it's good. But I'm going to glass the underneath it, because there's like an underneath lip. Not lip, but just underneath it. I'm going to glass under there, and I don't know. Or what I might do is get a hose like Frisco did and peanut butter a hose in there, and then just make it smooth it out like that, and peanut butter the whole bottom, so it's not like because right now it's like a cubby damn near under there. But if I smooth it out from that bottom part of the transom, I can smooth it out into the floor and make it, like that. That'd be awesome. So anyway, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Oh yeah, Scott made me some coffee, man. It was off the hook. It's kind of melted now, but it was a shake. It was like chocolate. It was a coffee shake with like nutmeg and or cinnamon. Woo-wee. It was off the hook. Still drinking it. Anyway, so I'll see you guys next week. Or maybe tomorrow. I might come back out tomorrow. Who knows? Peace.